Currently, 36 million people are blind due to conditions that could have been prevented if they were diagnosed on an early stage. Around the world, there is lack of access to digitalization systems. More than 85% of the microscopes around the world have no digital platform. At Custom Surgical, our mission is to make eye care treatment available for everyone through clever and affordable medical imaging solutions. Our product is intended for ophthalmologists. We want to make sure that every single ophthalmologist has the proper tools in his pocket, at his disposal, to attend their patients. With our solutions, our users can simply go to our website, get our hardware products, and digitalize their own microscopes using their own smartphones. Our optical system, the MicroREC, is currently present in 61 different countries and is allowing doctors to digitalize their own microscopes. By connecting their smartphone with our products, the MicroREC, to the microscope, they can get access to image-guided surgery or computer-aided diagnostics. This ensures that the patient will have a better outcome after their surgeries and will have a secondary opinion when that patient is diagnosed. We are distributing our software applications on a mobile platform. This is something that has never been seen before. Eye doctors use our platform to enhance their surgical procedures. Luminate has been of great support by introducing us to companies that we will be working very closely with and simultaneously granting us access to medical institutions just like the Pflaum Institute that we have been working closely, and the Association of University Professors in Ophthalmology in the United States. Especially in developing countries, nobody has access to these technologies. My motivation for Custom Surgical is to make sure that with our technologies, everybody gets to be diagnosed before it is too late.